Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2015 CG Holden Captiva LT. This vehicle sustained damage to the left-hand front. This shape ran from the 1st month 2011 to the 9th month 2015. This vehicle is fitted with an LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the bonnet, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light and surround, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mag wheels. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Has the tailgate. Has a tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Right-hand rear door appears to have no damage. Right-hand front door appears to have no damage. We have the right-hand power door mirror, left-hand power door mirror, factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre. Also have the right-hand front guard, appears to have no damage. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy automatic transmission center console, tidy automatic transmission gear stick, factory AC controls, factory single stack CD player, has a tidy interior mirror, tidy left hand sun visor, tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right hand sun visor, has a tidy automatic transmission instrument cluster, has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.